In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use Cognosys.ai to run Autogpt in a web browser. If you're looking to streamline your workflows with AI, this guide will help you get started with this powerful tool in just a few simple steps. First, let's open your preferred web browser and head over to Cognosys.ai. Just type in the website URL in the address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the main page of Cognosys.ai where you can sign up or log in to get started. If you don't yet have an account, simply click on the Sign Up option to create one. Fill in the required details and confirm your email if necessary. If you already have an account, use your login credentials to access your dashboard. Make sure to remember your login details for future visits. Once you're logged into the dashboard, you will notice an option to create a new agent. This might be labeled as New Agent or Create Agent. Click on this option as this is where the main setup begins. Creating an agent is crucial because it allows you to specify tasks and goals that you want Autogpt to accomplish. Once you've clicked on that, you'll be prompted to give your agent a name. It's important to choose a name that reflects your specific objectives, as this can help keep your tasks organized. Along with this, you'll also need to define an objective or goal for the agent. Clearly defining the purpose of your agent helps ensure the tasks align with your desired outcomes. Next, you'll need to configure the settings for your agent. This step is where you can really tailor the agent to suit your specific needs. Here, you can define parameters like search options, memory preferences, tools, and any APIs that you want your agent to integrate with. Spend some time familiarizing yourself with these options and choose settings that fit the tasks you plan to automate. After your agent is configured to your satisfaction, you'll be ready to start it up. You'll usually find a Start or Run Agent button. Clicking on this will set your agent in motion. As your agent begins to work, you can monitor its progress in real time. This is where you can view results, adjust any tasks if necessary, and make sure the output is meeting your expectations. Keep an eye on its activities and don't hesitate to tweak the settings if you find that improvements could be made. And there you have it. Setting up Autogpt using Cognosys.ai is straightforward when broken down into these easy-to-follow steps. Remember, powerful AI tools like this can significantly enhance your efficiency and productivity. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy automating!